Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how I make buttermilk pancakes from scratch using this fresh buttermilk that I just got from making homemade butter. So I start off with flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and then I have one egg and of course my fresh buttermilk. So I start off by putting all my dry ingredients in the bowl. And then I'm going to take a whisk and just whisk the dry ingredients so that they are well incorporated. And then I take a fork and just lightly beat my egg. And then of course I add my fresh buttermilk. And now I am just going to whisk this lightly until I have a nice smooth batter. I don't want to overbeat it too much. I just would like a nice smooth batter. So now that I have this batter mixed and see how nice and smooth this batter is, I'm going to preheat my skillet, add butter to my skillet, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of my batter and fry up these pancakes. Now that my pancakes are done, it is time to enjoy them. So I lather them with my fresh homemade butter and just look at all that delicious goodness. Okay, so those were my husband's pancakes. These are mine. So I'm going to take my fresh homemade butter and I'm going to lather my pancakes with my fresh butter, and then I am going to pour some syrup over them and I'm just going to enjoy them, and I know that they are just going to be so delicious. Just like I thought, these pancakes are delicious. I will post a link to the recipe in the description box below. Thanks for watching.